Donald Trump and Republican leaders are quietly pushing a strategy that could completely dismantle Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act, a law that's been the backbone of protecting Black and minority voting power since 1965. The case out of Louisiana could gut those protections, and if that happens, it won't just impact Louisiana. States like Texas, Florida, Alabama, and South Carolina would be free to redraw maps however they want, erasing Black and Democratic districts overnight. Imagine Texas, where Section 2 is the only thing holding back even worse gerrymandering. Without it, Republicans could eliminate Democratic seats entirely. The same goes for South Carolina, Alabama, and Florida, where Black voters have been the only firewall against complete GOP domination. And make no mistake, this isn't theoretical. Trump is already pressuring states to redraw maps in his favor, demanding 5 more Republican seats in Texas, while Democrats in places like California, Illinois, and Maryland fight back with maps of their own. If the court rules against Section 2, Trump's plan to lock in Republican control of the House for a generation becomes reality. So what's the solution? First, Democrats in states they control must fight just as hard as Republicans, redrawing maps where necessary to keep the playing field even. Second, and just as important, the public has to stay informed, engaged, and activated. That means sharing pro-democracy media, supporting independent journalism, and refusing to let these attacks on voting rights fly under the radar. Because the truth is, if Section 2 falls, the immediate effect will be devastating, not just for Black voters, but for American democracy as a whole. And the only way to counter that is by building an informed, mobilized majority that refuses to let Trump and the GOP rig the system in their favor.